Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So if you like my video, so don't forget to like and comment and share to friends and families, and press the bell icon to get my notification first, that I can bring for you beautiful room decoration, for entertaining me, for to bring for you beautiful room decoration. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the kitchen, you can see beautiful kitchen. This one also very beautiful bedroom. You can see the bed, the wall and the up roof, very beautiful lights and all, and the white color theme. This one also very beautiful silver color walls, and the walls you can see, and the side you can see the lamp, white color lamp, beautiful, and the screen beautiful design. This one also very beautiful design and decoration. You can see the blue color theme, the wall was blue color, and everything is in blue color, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the white color room, full in white color, the wall, everything, the cotton and the window and the chair. You can see everything is in white color, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the window outside, beautiful view you will get, and you can see the mirror, beautiful mirror, gold ring type mirror, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the window outside, and the side you can see their friends, families and all, beautiful place. And this one you can see very beautiful bed and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the banana plant tree and the mirror and the window. You can see beautiful window and mirror and all, very beautiful white color chair, looking very beautiful, very good. This one also very good. You can see the cupboard, you can see the white color cupboard and all, very beautiful cupboard. And you can see the bed white color. It's also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights, very beautiful looking also. And the white color theme is also very beautiful. You can see that this you can keep your books and all, beautiful things I can keep and all, looking, it will look very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the white color bed, and the mirror you can see, in the mirror you can see the window you can see. This also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the bed you can see, and the candle down with also very beautiful looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, and the side you can see the plant very beautiful. It's also very beautiful water, and you can see the plants, small plants, looking very beautiful plant. It's also, you can see the lamps and the blue color theme, and the up lamp you can see looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the wall, very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me for entertaining me, for bringing beautiful room decoration. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Goodbye.